talk to you about an important issue. Light bulbs. And what was the main proponent of light bulbs before the 1970s? That's right, tungsten. Tungsten was discovered in 1781 by Carl Wilhelm Scheele, a Swedish scientist who was trying to synthesize the Swedish metal scheelite. In that process, he created tungstic acid. The original name comes from the word wolframite, which was the original name for the acid before it was synthesized by Carl Scheele. Current research includes its use in light bulbs and how it is used in the production of computers. Its chemical properties include a high melting point, a resistance to electricity, extreme malleability, strong covalent bonds, and the metal being extremely brittle in its raw state. Purification methods include the heating of scheelite and tungstic acid. Its uses can be in most older light bulbs and computers, and it's most commonly found in tungsite. Its important sources. It comes from places like Sweden, Portugal, Africa. History. It was very sought after in World War II for its use in electrically powered light bulbs. And here's a fun fact for you. Tungsten was used in light bulbs up until the 1970s. And that is a fact.
In 1797, a Frenchman named Louis Nicolas Quenin founded chromium. Chromium originally means color. Scientists are trying to stop the pollution of chromoxide. Chromium is a lustrous, hard, brittle, steely gray and has a high boiling point. Chromium is separated from iron by boiling them at hot temperatures. Chromoxide and iron chromium oxide are common compounds and is used to make tools and car parts. And those sick chrome wheels I have, yeah, those are made of chromium. Chromium is found anywhere under the surface. Over 2,000 years ago, the Qin dynasty used it on their swords in battle. Fun fact, chromium is used in broccoli.
Molybdenum, what is it? Where does it come from? And who found it? Well, I'm here to tell you all about it. Well, let's talk about the man who found it.
I'm Bill Nye.
No, actually, his name is Peter Jacob Helm. And in 1781, the Swedish chemist and his friend, Carl W. Scheele, isolated the element by grinding a compound containing molybdenum and then mixing it with linseed oil to form a paste. You know what they did with that? They heated the mixture to produce the element. Now, molybdenum kind of has a silvery lead look to it, so the scientists named it after the Greek word molybdos, which means lead. That's pretty cool. So molybdenum. Now, no matter how low profile you think this element may be, there actually is current research on it. At the upcoming IEDM, an MIT lead team will explain how to grow uniform, flexible, single molecular layers of molybdenum sulfide. How cool is that? Some chemical properties of molybdenum is it does not dissolve in the more common reagents, such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, ammonia, sodium hydroxide. But here's number 2, molybdenum does dissolve in hot, strong sulfuric or nitric acids. Number 3, the metal does not react with oxygen at room temperatures. Number 4, it does react with oxygen at high temperatures. Molybdenum also forms compounds with inorganic and organic ligands. A method of purification for molybdenum is taking a molybdenum compound and then reducing it into molybdenum dioxide. And then it's water washed to remove potassium. And then the water is removed to form a purified version of molybdenum dioxide. Most molybdenum is used to make alloys. It's used in steel alloys to increase strength, hardness, electrical conductivity, and resistance to corrosion and wear. The main mining areas of molybdenum is USA, China, Chile, and Peru. The world production of this element is around 200,000 tons per year. So what does molybdenum have to do with our lives? Well, molybdenum is a necessary element for all species. Only very small amounts are required, but it plays a big role in nitrogen fixation.
Go Yanks, Derek Jeter all the way. Sad to see him go, but it was a good decision for the boys.
It comes from places like Sweden, Portugal, Africa, Illuminati.
I'd like to tell you about a serious issue. I'm Bill Nye. The Inquisition. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Yeah. No, Mickey, go Shades. Go Shades.
Why did you